Hello बच्चों, today's we have to solve exercise 6.2 and their examples because in previous lecture we have to learn the various relation between angles when two parallel line intersected by transversal, or when two line intersected by transversal, how to prove these two lines are parallel. Let us start. So our first example number 4. Example number 4, we have to prove this one. So see, how do you prove this one? In the given figure, PQ is parallel to this, PQ is parallel to RS is a given. We have an angle MYR is also given, angle MXQ is a given. We have to find this one. So for this one, what we have to done? To find the value of M, we perform it. So what we have to done? To simply draw a line through M parallel to PQ and parallel to PQ and parallel to RS, because these two lines are already given. Okay, so if we draw the line parallel to PQ and RS from, let us suppose that this is the M. Now since we have to find this angle, so let suppose that this is 1 and it is angle 2. Since AB is parallel to PQ, so therefore angle 1 plus angle 135 is equal to 180 degree, because these are the two angles lie between two parallel line and same side of a transversal. So it is here. So reason is interior angle on the same side of a transversal. This is a reason. Okay. So this angle 1. So this gives us angle 1. So 180 minus 135 gives us 45 degree. Let us suppose that it is a 1. Again say this, since AB is parallel to RS and MY is transversal. So what happened? So angle 2 is equal to angle 40 degree. These are alternate angle. Simply. So let us suppose that it is a 2. Since we have to find XMY, so XMY is, what is the value of XMY? Simply from figure, angle XMY is the sum of angle 1 plus angle 2. So in place of a 1, we have to write 40 degree, in place of a 2. So thus this one is a proof. See, it is your example number 5. What is 5? If a transversal intersect two lines such that bisector of a pair of a corresponding angles are parallel, then prove that two lines are parallel. So see this. Here is a transversal T which intersect two lines L and M at a point A and B such that ray AP and BQ bisect angle GAD. This is a GAD. This is a GAD. GAD and angle ABF. Clear? We have to prove that L is parallel to M. To prove that L is parallel to M, so we know many method कि when two line intersected by transversal, pair of corresponding angles are equal, then this line is equal to this angle. If pair of alternate angles are equal, then this line is equal to this angle. If sum of angle on the same side of a transversal, interior angle on the same side of a transversal 180 degree, then this line is also 180 degree. So we can prove any one, but according to situation, we observe that we prove these two corresponding angles are equal. It means if we prove that angle GAD is equal to ABF, so then obviously we show that this line L is parallel to M. So how do you prove this one? Think about it. In case of proof, so see this, since ray AP bisect angle GAD, so since ray AP bisect angle GAD, so what happened? This is a angle 1 is equal to angle 2 is equal to GAD upon 2. Let us suppose that it is a 1. Again, since ray PQ bisect angle ABF, what happened? So therefore angle 3 is equal to angle 4 is equal to 1 upon 2 angle ABF. Let us suppose that. Now it is a question that how we relate these two angles, angle AGAD and ABD to equal. Now say this, since AP is parallel to BQ, it is a given, and we observe that this T is a transversal and T is a transversal. So what happened? So angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Why? Because it is a pair of corresponding angles. This is a corresponding angles. When these are the corresponding angles, so if angle 1 is equal to angle 2, in place of a 1, from 1 we have to write angle GAD upon 2. In place of a 1 is equal to 3, it is 1 is equal to 3. In place of a 3 we have to write 1 upon 2 angle ABF. This 2 is cancelled out by this one. This is angle GAD, this is angle ABF, or what we observe that these two angles are pair of corresponding angles, but these are pair of corresponding angles, so L is parallel to M. Simply write this one, but these are pair of corresponding angle. So therefore by converse of corresponding axiom we prove that AB, this L is parallel to M. Now this question is over. Next, see exercise 6.2 question number 1. What is this? So it is given that AB is parallel to CD. We have to find the value of X and Y. So simply you know that X is equal to Y, it is a alternate angle. So since name something, suppose that we are giving it as a name, it is a P. So since ray PA stand on line, this line, let us suppose that it is a T. So what happened? So therefore angle 50 degree plus angle x is equal to 180 degree. We know that it is a linear pair axiom. So value of x is 130 degree. But and okay, and y is equal to already given that angle y is equal to what? Angle y is equal to 130 degree. It is a vertically opposite angle. So this question is over. Now for next question, it is a 2. In question number 2, see this, AB is parallel to CD is given, CD is parallel to EF is given. So first of all write this one. Since AB is parallel to CD and CD is parallel to EF. So therefore what happens when a line, two or more than line parallel to single lines, or lines are parallel to each other? It means AB is parallel to CD is parallel to EF. We have to find the value of x. We have to find the value of x. How do you find the value of x? Say this one. Since x is equal to z, because this angle is equal to this one. So since x is equal to angle x is equal to angle z, reason these are alternate angle. Alternate angle. Okay. But x plus y is 180 degree. Let us suppose that it is a 2. Since we are given that y ratio z is equal to 3 ratio 7, and here we is so in place of this x we have to write what? Z. So from 1 and 2, in place of this we have to write z plus angle y is 180 degree. Let us suppose that again, since y ratio z is equal to 3 ratio 7 given, so let us suppose that angle y is equal to 3a, angle z is equal to 7a. Okay, I think till now you have no problem. Yes. Now this one. So this है ना, so from 3 what we have to write? From 3, in place of this z we have to write 7a, in place of a y we have to write 3a, it is a 180 degree, it is a 10a is equal to 180 degree, so a is equal to 18 degree. Since we have to find the value of x and this x is equal to z, so since x is equal to z is equal to what? It is a 7a. So in place of this a we have to write value of a. So 8 7 ja 56, 7 1 plus 12. This is a 126 degree is the value of this angle. Okay. Now see our next question. Next question is what? This is a question number 3 of your NCERT. Very easy question. What we have to find? AB is parallel to EF. EF is 90 degrees given. GED is equal to 126 degrees. Since GED, this angle is 126 degree, or EF is perpendicular. EF is perpendicular to CD. It means this angle is equal to 90 degree. To start from here, since angle GED is equal to 120 degree, it is a given. So let us suppose that it has a 1. So therefore angle 1 plus angle FED is equal to what? 126. From figure, in place of GD we have to write. So, but FED is equal to 90 degree is a given. So, from this one, angle 1 is what? 126 degree minus 90 degree. So, angle 1 we will get 36 degree. One portion is completed. Angle 1 is what? It is a so this is a GEF. This one is completed. Now AGE. This is AGE. So since AB is parallel to CD and GE is transversal, so angle AGE is equal to angle GED. This is a alternate angle. Okay. And GED, what is the value of GED? It is already given. It is a 126 degree. It is a given. So angle AGE is equal to 126 degree. Okay. Now to find FGE, this is FGE. So since this angle is 90 degree, yeah, we know that this one is equal to 126 degree. So this value is what? Sum of this plus this is 180 degree. Okay. So we can find this one. Otherwise, it is a 1. This is the 90. So with the help of this one, we can also find the value of this one. Okay. So since angle AGE plus angle EGF is equal to 180 degree by linear pair axiom, in place of a AGE write 126 degree and it is EGF. Yeah, FGE whatever and EGF. So it is a 180 degree. So angle EGF is what? 180 degree minus 126 degree. So this is a 4 and it is a 5. This one is a 54 degree. So this angle is equal to 54 degree.